Hi guys, I get asked a lot of times about cocktails. No, I don't drink a lot of alcohol. In fact, virtually none. But why do people ask me about cocktails? Because they're looking to get the perfect cocktail. Now, how do they do that with a good clean water, you wonder? Well, it's the ice cube. A lot of high-end restaurants, a lot of high-end bars, they actually contract with Angel Water to get them reverse osmosis systems to purify the water going to the ice machine. So if you guys are looking for a great cocktail this holiday season, I hope that you turn to us to help us make your ice cubes as clean as possible. The cleaner the water, the more clear the ice cube. That's what typically is seen. Also, there's less things in the water that affect the taste. Remember, Starbucks, all the high-end restaurants, hotels, they all use purified water so that their water has no flavor to it. So when they add the cocktail or they add the drink flavor into it, it tastes perfect. If you need any help with that, contact us. We're grateful that you're a client, and we wish you a very happy holiday season.